New York City. A family is flying here.
Are those skyscrapers? Kids, wake up!
5 more minutes, please. Oh, wow! The buildings are so tall! Skyscraper? They scratch the sky?
We are landing. Welcome to New York.
Dad, are we really in America?
JFK Airport, New York. The city starts now. Okay, stay close. Everyone together now.
Dad, so many yellow cars out there.
Those are taxis. Very New York.
Mom, where is the subway? Underground?
Subway goes underground, under this street.
Under the street? Like a secret tunnel. Dad says follow me, then checks the map.
Times Square, the heart of New York City.
Mom, everything is so bright here.
This is Times Square. Very crowded place.
Crowded means too many people, right?
Crowded means lots.
Of people, no space. That screen is bigger than our house.
Dad, our house is not that small. Click! Click! Photos of everything. Then I will be very fast. Click! Dad, hot dog. Real New York hot dog.
Hello? How much for one hot dog? $4 each. 5 with pretzel.
What is a pretzel exactly?
Salty bread. Twisted. Very New York.
Try it, Leo. Say it. Pretzel.
Salty. Really, really good.
4 hot dogs and 2 pretzels, please. Welcome. The city is yours today.
This vendor is my favorite American person.
Central Park. Green. Quiet. Time to rest.
I need to sit. My feet are done.
Done? You mean exhausted, David.
Exhausted. Me too. very, very exhausted. Look! A squirrel! Right there! Come back, little squirrel! Come back!
Leo, do not chase the animals.
This park is New York magic. Beautiful.
I am tired, but I don't want to stop.
That is New York. It never lets you stop.
We go left. The bridge is left.
No. My phone says right, David.
Maps never run out of battery.
Dad, your map is 2 years old. The subway moved last year, Dad.
Fine. We go right.
Mom wins again. She always wins.
I heard that. Both of you. Hey?
For the record, I knew it was right.
Of course you did, honey. Grandpa. Ever fry somewhere one?
Brooklyn Bridge. 140 years old.
Mom? This is beautiful. Stunning has no age, Leo. You are 8 years old, Mia.
Manhattan is an island, an actual island.
Between 2 islands? Seriously?
Pretty stunning. Right, Mia? Right, Mia?
Even I think this is stunning.
This bridge is a landmark, a famous place.
The Staten Island Ferry. Free for everyone.
Is that the big green lady?
The Statue of Liberty. She is famous.
She is so green. Why so green?
She was a gift. France gave it.
France gave a giant statue? Why?
A symbol of freedom. You can be free.
Free to be yourself. Free to choose.
She holds a torch, a flame, hope.
I want to remember this. Forever.
Evening, a cozy diner. The family is tired.
4 burgers and fries. A lot of fries.
ketchup. Lots of ketchup, please.
Water for all. We are so exhausted.
That means a real New York day.
Today, Times Square, Park, Bridge, Liberty.
Best day ever.
Night. The hotel. New York never sleeps.
Mom, the city looks like stars.
Yes. New York never really sleeps.
I learned so many words today. Skyscraper. Wow. Exhausted. Crowded. Pretzel. All of them. All of them.
You learned by living the words. Well done.
I am resting my eyes, not sleeping.
Can we come back to New York, Mom?
One day, sweetheart. One day. Thank you for learning English with us.